Hey there, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. Let's learn how to play Freddie Oka. Before you start trying to teach the game, make sure that your students are able to sing the song confidently. If they can't, the rest of the game will probably fall apart. Now that your students are able to sing the song confidently, try to have them keep a steady beat while they sing the song. I typically try to do this either using body percussion on their legs, Freddie Oka, quack, 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 or snaps, or even some unpitched percussion like rhythm sticks or even some hand drums. Once they're able to sing the song and keep a steady beat independently, then we're ready to play the game. So I'll have my kids get into a standing circle, and once they're there, I have them put their hand on their heart like they're saying the Pledge of Allegiance. So they'll have their right hand on their heart. Once it's there, I tell them it's stuck there. And so they can only have their left hand out to their side. A lot of the times, if they're across the circle from you, they'll want to do it kind of backwards. So once that hand is stuck on their heart, their only other choice is to put their left hand out to the side. Once it's there, then I instruct them to put their right hand on top of their neighbor's left hand. So the right hand is on top, their left hand is on bottom. Once we're all set up with our right hand on top and our left hand on bottom, we're ready to play. So to start off, you need a starter of the song. So you can pick any student you want, and they start the song, and they take their right hand, and they're going to be coming across to clap their neighbor's left hand. So it's going to be Freddie Oka, quack, 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 esco, tico, tickety-tack, and the claps go all around the circle on the beat, which is why it's important that they can keep the steady beat to the song by themselves before the game starts. At the end of the song, for the first round, we have them just count to 10. So at the end of the song, it goes esco, tico, oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on that 10th hand, the students have a choice to make. If their hand is going to get slapped on that final number, they get to pull their hand out before their hand gets slapped. Now if their hand gets slapped on that 10, they go into the middle of the circle. If they're able to pull it out before their neighbor gets their hand, then their neighbor is the one who goes into the middle of the circle. At that point, you can keep the song going and you can change the number. So instead of 10, you can change the number to really any number you really want to. But I'd suggest probably not going to 100, otherwise the game would take forever. Now there's some variations that I do to this game to keep it more interesting because it is very repetitive. So be sure to check out my teacher tips and tricks video for Freddie Oka. There's some really fun stuff in there. So we'll see you soon. Please share this video, subscribe, and check out my new website in the descriptions below. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Freddie Oka, quack, 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 esco, tico, tickety-tack, esco, tico, oh no, 1, 2, 3,